arrested, but now out of jail. Our cameras were there as 2 deputies accused of looting a tornado-damaged store posted bond and then walked out of the Lou Sterrett Justice Center. All new at 10 o'clock, Andrea Lucia live over at that Home Depot in question to explain how this alleged scheme unraveled. Andrea?
Yeah, Doug, last month's tornado ripped this store wide open. You can still see the merchandise stacked up outside. It hired these off-duty deputies to protect the location and to prevent thefts. Instead, the sheriff's office says the company found evidence they were the ones looting it.
Deputy Joseph Bobadilla spent years working in the Dallas County Jail. He was here today as an inmate.
You work for the people of Dallas County. What do you want them to know?
He walked out in the same pants he wore this morning working traffic enforcement for the Dallas County Sheriff's Office.
Anything to say about what you're accused of?
Almost 2 hours later, his supervisor, Sergeant Rebecca Evans, posted bond. Both are charged with theft of property worth more than $750.
Our core values are at the department is integrity, professionalism, and accountability. And so this definitely is a slap in the face.
Investigators believe they stole from this tornado-damaged Home Depot store they were paid to protect. According to an arrest warrant, Bobadilla then took new and unopened merchandise containing moisture to Home Depot locations in South Dallas and Balch Springs, returning them for more than $1,900 in store credit. Bobadilla is accused of using that credit to buy new appliances, like the brand new washer we spotted deputies this morning rolling out of his home. The sheriff's office says Sergeant Evans received cash from Bobadilla in exchange for items she stole from the store. During an arraignment we were able to observe, she openly sobbed, telling the judge, "I've never even had a traffic ticket."
A sheriff's records do mention a third person in all of this, a woman who also tried returning some of the items stolen from this Home Depot. She has not been charged in connection to this, at least not yet. The records identify her as a current or former Dallas County employee. Reporting live here in Dallas, Andrea Lucia, CBS 11 News.